brother. This is gonna be a fucking avalanche. This is a fucking avalanche right here. You ready? You got me? You gonna film this fucking avalanche?
Yeah.
Go, boys.
Whoa! Whoa!
What the fuck? We're out here, bro. Let's go, Road!
Whoa! Whoa!
Shit, doggy! What the fuck? You know what I mean?
Alright. We're done with the trip.
Yes, sir. We are done with the trip.
Wow. We were gonna do some more runs, but we were both so sore. Alright, this is the road conditions a day later. It's crazy what 24 hours could do.